I was missing the morning sessions with you all. Now you are having your half yearly exams, and I hope you all have started preparing for your exam. I just wanted to have some kind of like a very formal, informal, both the types of discussion with you all. Um, I hope you all have the copy and pen because it will be an interactive session. Dear children, I just want to ask you all, कि according to you all, what does success means? Whom do you call as a successful student or a successful human or a successful being? So, as students, as children, what do you feel कि whom do you call a successful person? तुम्हारे हिसाब से what is success? What do you feel? Everybody write what do you feel like, and somebody can open the mic and talk to me.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm Shubhangi Joshi.
Ha, Shubhangi, what do you mean by success?
I think successful person is the one who is happy doing his work,
Good. Whatever he does,
whatever he
he's
do.
happy in that.
Yes, ma'am. Doesn't matter it is a small work or big.
Yeah, good. Good answer. See, every individual is different. We are different. Okay. We have different interests, so everybody has his own definition to success. Some of you are writing कि when we achieve our desired goal, yes. So as a student, who will be called as a successful student?
Who will score good marks?
Who score good marks? Yeah, definitely. Scoring good marks, definitely. The one who will score good marks will definitely be called successful. Apart from marks, is there anything
Ma'am,
else? Yes.
ma'am who
And
understand,
Academics
discipline.
and
Discipline.
sport also.
Discipline.
ma'am,
Oh, Pooja is writing when signature turns to autograph, you become successful. Good. Then?
ma'am who
Yes?
actually understand the books practically. That knowledge should not only for good marks, but to apply it in a real world.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Akshita, to achieve something which we want, yes. See, everyone must have some vision. Okay, Mansi, so sweet to see our parents happy. Okay. See, everyone must have some vision, some goal in life. Definitely, you know, as a student, marks are important because now what I'm seeing in DU, there the percentage in if you want to study in the top colleges of India, you have to score well. because I'm seeing Anushka's admission in DU. So 99, 98. If you want to study in the best colleges of DU, you have to score good marks. So marks do matter. Marks, skill, attitude do matter. See, I'll also give you certain tips or steps or a discussion, a healthy discussion, where I'll tell you the things which you require to be a successful student. The first point which I would like to discuss is, dear children, write this in your mind, in your heart. Always believe in yourself. Always believe in yourself. Because if you will believe yourself, others will believe you. If you will not believe that you can do, nobody else will believe. The nature, the nurture, the environment, nobody will cooperate with you. So it is very, very important to believe in ourselves, to be confident. Do you know what is required to improve our confidence level, to increase our confidence? What is required? If I tell you, okay, there's a speech competition or there's a debate, get up, be confident, go, and you can speak go to the stage, speak up. And if I say like that, so what do you require? To go and speak on the dais, apart from confidence, what else will you require? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from practice?
Ma'am,
Practice के अलावा?
ma'am, we should be not overconfident. We should believe in ourselves.
That is okay. We should not be confident. We should believe ourselves. लेकिन एक अच्छी स्पीच देने के लिए और भी तो कुछ चाहिए कॉन्फिडेंस के अलावा. कॉन्फिडेंस मुझ में बहुत है. नॉलेज,
Speaking skills.
नॉलेज होनी चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
अगर मुझे उस टॉपिक की नॉलेज ही नहीं है तो मैं क्या बोलूंगी वहां. मैं कॉन्फिडेंट तो बहुत हूं, मेरी स्किल्स भी सब अच्छी है, मुझे बोलना भी आता है. I know how to speak. So knowledge is the power which helps you to improve your confidence. Without knowledge, you cannot improve your confidence. When you have knowledge, now if I am asking you questions, so you have confidence, but if you do not have knowledge about that topic, you cannot answer me. So knowledge is a weapon which improves your confidence. And then other things come. Like if you have knowledge, you keep on practicing, and then slowly you can improve. So dear children, believing yourself that you can do, improving your knowledge, working on yourself is so important. Many a times in life, if I tell you, okay, what about your friend? Tell me something about your friend. So you all will write 2 pages. हाँ, I know my friend. मुझे उसके बारे में सब पता है. I know. वो ऐसा है, ये ऐसी है, मेरी फ्रेंड ऐसी है, वैसी है. And you can add on कई pages लिख दोगे. 2 पेज तो लिख ही दोगे अपने दोस्तों के ऊपर. खुद के बारे में how much we know ourselves. अभी मैं एक एक्टिविटी भी कराऊंगी एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन, स्वॉट एक्टिविटी कराऊंगी. तो उसमें क्या है कि आपको अपने बारे में कितनी नॉलेज है, हाउ मच यू नो योरसेल्फ, कितना जानते हैं आप खुद को, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ कितनी आप जानते हैं, अपनी वीकनेसेस आप जानते हैं। आप if you know your weaknesses, then only you can work on your weakness, na? If you don't know your weakness, how you can work on your weakness? So do you know your weakness? Do you know your strength?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know your strength?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
You
Yes,
must
ma'am.
know. Do you know what opportunities you are getting in life? You have wonderful parents, you have wonderful family, you have good teachers, you have good school, you are studying in a good school, you have all resources. These are all gifts of God. Do you know their importance? So knowing, believing ourselves is so important in life. Second thing I will tell you and I will discuss with you is set your goals. Set your goals and remain focused. What do children do? They have lot of wishes, hopes, ये भी हो जाए हमारे लिए, वो भी हो जाए, और काश मेरे इतने मार्क्स आ जाए, मैं आई एम वेरी होपफुल कि हो जाएगा, आई विश आई सिक्योर दिस मच. सो normally the students, they have lots of wishes, lots of hopes, but what is missing? Planning is missing. So set some goal. Like suppose if you are in 10th or if you are in 11th or if you are 9th, if you are in 12th, you must have some goals. Okay, my goal is, like suppose if I'm class 12th student, my goal is to secure a good percentage and to do honors from the best college of DU. Okay, one goal can be this. Another goal can be, okay, my goal is getting good percentage in 12th and simultaneously preparing for the competitive exams. Another goal can be, my goal is to secure a very good percentage in 12th, like above 95, and simultaneously I will give this exam also. I will take admission in a professional course. So there has to be some goal. अगर यही नहीं पता है कि मंजिल क्या है, तो रास्ता कैसे तय होगा? ये तो पता होना चाहिए ना कि हमारी मंजिल कहाँ है, और मंजिल के ऊपर फोकस होना चाहिए. बहुत सारे बच्चे, स्टूडेंट्स कम टू स्कूल, आते हैं स्कूल विदाउट एनी गोल, विदाउट एनी फोकस, आते हैं, पढ़ के चले जाते हैं. कोई तो गोल हो. आपका गोल ये भी हो सकता है कि भाई मुझे अपनी स्किल्स इंप्रूव करनी है. 9th क्लास का बच्चा है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी परसेंटेज लानी है और मुझे अपनी राइटिंग स्किल्स, रीडिंग स्किल्स, स्पीकिंग स्किल्स, इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करनी है. आई वांट टू इंप्रूव माय इंग्लिश, आई वांट टू इंप्रूव माय कंप्यूटर स्किल्स. I'll improve my skills. So, dear children, having goal and focus on the goal is so important. See, you see the sunflower. Sunflower always faces the sun. क्यों? Sunflower का गोल है कि उसको सूरज की तरफ फेस रखना है अपना. उसका फोकस कहीं नहीं छूटता. बच्चों का फोकस छूट जाता है. आपको अपना फोकस, अपना एम छोड़ना नहीं है. आपको उसके साथ, यू हैव टू लिव विद इट. वॉट एवर यू डू, you have to always remind yourself, my goal, my focus. Always keep on reminding yourself. This is very, very important in life. Then second comes curiosity and creativity. You must be curious. How things happen? Why? Why this happen? Why am I learning algebra? How it is going to help me in my life? Oh, I learned something new. I learned something different. So, new things, new methods, you have to explore. You have to be a curious individual. Similarly, creativity is so important. Creative peoples are paid a good salary. See, a labor works so much hard. He does a hard labor, but he's not paid that much. The reason is because he is a follower. He's following somebody's instructions. किसी की instructions follow कर रहा है ना? He's not paid. But creativity pays. If you create something, if you do your works creatively, if you have a capacity to think differently, if you can add something on your own and improve the things, if you're a creative person, definitely it will make you successful. I'm really happy. Even some 5th and 6th standard students in lockdown, they learned some languages. Like they picked up French, German, and in fact, on Sundays we are sending you German classes also. So many of these students, they've started learning different languages. So this is due to curiosity and creativity, because they want to do something different in life. So all successful people, they are creative, they are curious. Then another important thing is patience and passion. Sometimes what happens, you'll, okay, I'm going to improve my English, and you start speaking in English for 2 or 3 days, and after that, I don't know what happens, and then, oh yeah, now I have improved and given up. Patience nahi hai. Persistence and patience. Even like if you want to reduce weight, you have to daily do exercise. If you do 1 or 2 days, if you do exercise and then you think, okay, I'm going to reduce weight and I'm going to be healthy, this won't happen. You have to exercise daily and you have to improve your eating habits. Isn't it? Then only, so everything requires a patient. Everything requires patience and persistence. If you do some like English reading and English speaking for 2 or 3 days, that is not going to improve your language. You have to do it daily. You have to talk with your friends in English. You have to read good books in English. So it's very much required. Then another very important word is passion. Whatever you do in life, love that. Now, being a student, if you do not love your studies, if you do not like your teacher, if you do not like your school, if you do not like your books, if you do not like your subjects, you can never do well. You have to love your studies. You have to like your studies. You have to love what you are doing. Then only you can improve. If you keep on saying, I hate physics, I hate maths, and I don't like this subject, you'll never be able to do well in that. To improve, you have to like that. You have to love that subject. Isn't it? And When you study with that feeling, that will make you happy. See, we normally say, okay, suppose if I want, if I tell you, okay, make me happy within 2 minutes. So if within 2 minutes, if you want to be happy, what will you do? You'll eat your favorite chocolate or your favorite food, and that will make you happy for few hours. Okay, I had that chocolate or something which I liked very much. So that will make you happy for few hours. If you want to be happy for 4 5 days, you plan a trip with your family, so that is going to make you happy for a week. But what after that? After that, so you are a student, you have to come back and study. So to improve your happiness, you have to love what you do. So as a student, what do? As a student, you study. Love your subjects. If you are afraid of maths, find out the reason why you are afraid. Start from the basics. Even if you are in 9th standard and if your division part is not clear, do not hesitate to clear your doubts. Do not hesitate, because that is the weakness. Improve that weak area. Because that is the reason that you are hating your maths. And if you do not work on that, you will never be able to love that subject. Work on that. Okay? Start loving your studies. Then only you will get results. Then only you will not be tired. See, because I'll give you my example. I love what I'm doing. Okay? So I love my work so much that I never get tired. You look at me at 8 o'clock and you look at me at 5:30 or 5 o'clock when I leave my office. You'll see the same freshness at 5 also. Why? Because I never feel that I'm working. Never. I enjoy what I do. I love what I do. I love learning. I love preparing notes. I love studying. I love looking at the grades of the children. I love planning classes for you all. So I never get tired. So once you start loving your studies, you will also not get tired. You can study for hours together. All right. So passion is so important in life. Patience, persistence, passion. Remember these 3 P's. All right. Then another important thing in life, that is time. Always, always respect time. Always value time. See, long back I read a quotation that the sad story is time flies, but the good story is you are the pilot. Time is flying, but you are the pilot of your time. Always respect time. Always value time, because this is the thing which you cannot buy with money. You cannot buy time with money. All 6 7 months of corona stay at home, gone. Whether you wasted or you invested in something productive, so that you have to understand. Okay? So, but that's gone. Time is gone. Once a sculpture made a statue of time, and he did not made hairs at the back. He made hairs in the front. Somebody asked why there are no hairs at the back. Then he said, this is the statue of time, and you can never catch the time from the back. So I made the hairs in the front, because this is the statue of time. You cannot catch time from the back. So there's nothing that you can catch and hold that, because this is statue of time. So you have to catch the statue from the front, not from the back. Always learn to catch the statue of time from the front. टाइम को आगे से पकड़ो, पीछे से नहीं पकड़ पाओगे. जो भी whatever task you are given, आगे से आगे करो. टाइम चला जाएगा तो you will not be able to do. And all successful people in life, they hate this word time pass. बच्चों का क्या है? क्या कर रहे हो भाई? टाइम पास. मोबाइल पे टाइम पास करेंगे, लैपटॉप पे टाइम पास करेंगे, टीवी पे टाइम पास करेंगे. तो सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स डू नॉट हैव दिस वर्ड इन द डिक्शनरी, टाइम पास. समटाइम, so this is very risky. Time pass is very risky. You're wasting your time. All right, so never do time pass. Apart from that, it's an energy wastage. Energy, potential. You all have to work on this also, because all these lockdown period, mobile was in your hand now, and there is addiction for mobile. So all these students need to work on this addiction also now. So dear children, if you have some personal queries or personal issues related to all these points, you all are having my WhatsApp number, and I'll be very happy to help you out. And you are aware that your half-yearly exams are near, and you must prepare for your exams. And I hope the little talk which I have done with you will help you a lot in designing your destiny, your future. And dear children, I'll share a story with you, okay? So once what happened, there was a very intelligent and clever professor. बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट और बहुत ही क्लेवर प्रोफेसर थे. तो बच्चे हमेशा सोचते थे ये सर जो है बहुत अपने आप को बहुत इंटेलिजेंट समझते हैं, बहुत प्रोफेसर, अपने आप को बहुत ईगो है इनके अंदर. तो let us do something. So what did they do? They took a hold of a bird in their hand, and he was sitting in the class and doing corrections, and two boys came. And they said, sir, he's my friend, and he's having something in his hand. So can you tell what he is having in his hand? तो हाथ पीछे किया हुआ था. Bird was there in the hand, और हाथ पीछे किया हुआ था. Then he said, because he could see the feathers, and he said, okay, you are having a bird in your hand. तो boys को भी ये था कि सर ये तो बता ही देंगे कि हाथ में क्या है. तो इतना उनका भी माइंड मेकअप था कि बिकॉज सर इज इंटेलिजेंट एंड क्लेवर, तो इतना तो सर बता ही देंगे. तो उनके पास दूसरा क्वेश्चन था. उनका ये और वो मन मन में सोच रहे थे कि सर को विल प्रूव हिम रॉन्ग इन दी सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. तो उन्होंने कहा सर दैट्स ओके, गुड दैट यू कुड मेक आउट दैट ही इज हैविंग बर्ड इन हिज हैंड. Can you tell whether this bird is alive or dead?
Alive.
Professor was very intelligent. Professor was very intelligent. And just see what he answered. He said, the bird's life and death is in your hands. Because the students, they decided कि सर अगर बोलेंगे कि the bird is dead तो हम उड़ा देंगे कि सर this is alive. और सर अगर बोलेंगे dead है, अगर सर बोलेंगे alive है, तो हम इसकी bird की गर्दन दबा देंगे. तो हमें सर को wrong proof करना है. अब सर तो इंटेलिजेंट, अब देखो सर तो सर ही होता है ना. टीचर इज ऑलवेज अ टीचर. एंड आफ्टर ऑल ही वॉज एन इंटेलिजेंट टीचर. तो उन्होंने कहा ये बर्ड की डेस्टिनी आपके हाथ में है. एंड देन दे बोड डाउन टू हिम कि सर यू आर रियली इंटेलिजेंट, रियली स्मार्ट. तो दैट बर्ड इज सिंबॉलिक. योर डेस्टिनी इज ऑल्सो इन योर हैंड चिल्ड्रन. आप लोगों की डेस्टिनी, आप लोगों का फ्यूचर भी आपके हाथ में है. आप उसको बहुत बेहतर बना सकते हैं, या आप टाइम पास करके, टाइम किल करके उसको डैमेज कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज इन योर हैंड. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. प्लीज डू नॉट टाइम पास or kill time. This is high time for you all to be serious. High time to plan your future. Shamli is a very, very small place. Opportunities in this place are very less. So, please make use of all opportunities, all resources, and work on your improvement. Concentrate on your academics because marks are also important. And there is a quote by Martin Luther King Jr. I love that's very close to my heart, and you might have heard it from my mouth many a times. If you cannot fly, then run. If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Keep moving forward always. Improve every day. Do something good every day. If you're not able to do too much, do little. But do every day. Improve every day. With this, lots and lots of blessings, good wishes. I hope you all will perform well in your exams. And if you have any personal questions, you can ask. And I'll be displaying a SWOT performer for you all. Please fill that and keep with you. All right. Thank you so much, children. I will take all your personal questions on my WhatsApp group. If you have any personal question, if you need tips how you can improve your study time, self-study time, and your academics, you can personally come and meet me in my office, and you can also send me personal WhatsApps. All right, now I'll share a screen with you. This is a performer where this is a performer. See, dear children, this is a SWOT analysis worksheet. So you have to mention your strength, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and what can be your threats. See, your threats can be anything, like competition with your classmates, or less knowledge, or you get stressed, or you get stressed very easily, you do not have your self-study timing. So you can write any thing. This is your personal analysis. It is a framework for analyzing your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threat that you face, and it will help you to focus on your strength and minimize your weaknesses. Take advantage of opportunities. So this is the SWOT analysis worksheet. This I'm going to share on the groups also. So you do this SWOT analysis for yourself. All right. So thank you, children, and it was pleasure talking to you, children. Okay. God bless you, and I'll read all your messages.
Thank
Surinder
you,
sir,
ma'am.
kindly take screenshot of all the messages, Surinder sir. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.